If you are heading to Europe and you're stressed about packing, do not make this huge mistake. I made this mistake myself and it was such a nightmare, trust me. Do not travel to Europe with a bag without a trolley sleeve on it. What is a trolley sleeve? It is this sleeve right here that allows you to put your bag over the trolley luggage handle. It helps to keep the bag balanced on your luggage and that prevents it from falling off. The bag I traveled with to Europe for a month is a workout bag that I absolutely love. And because the handles of my duffel fit over the handles of my luggage, usually I have no problem with the bag staying on. Europe is a whole different beast. There's cobblestone, all kinds of weird grooves in the walkways. So when we were rushing down the streets of Barcelona at 6 o'clock in the morning to catch our flight to Naples, my bag was getting caught on cobblestone and then my duffel would fly off and I'd almost fall over, and it was the most frustrating thing I've ever experienced. Since I am now in the market for a trolley sleeve travel bag, I've been doing a lot of hunting around and I thought I'd share my findings with you guys. This is the bag my friend has and I'm pretty sure that's the one I'm going to get. This one is from Kuyana. I have tons of things from them. I love all of their stuff, so I'm sure that's a great option. Number 8 is from the brand Base. It has kind of a cult following. There's people that absolutely die for that bag. I have some good friends that have it, so I asked them if the hype is real. They said yes. So definitely recommend that option. The rest of them, numbers 1 through 5, are the best-selling options on Amazon for trolley sleeve bags. They are all incredibly affordable. Number 3 and number 4 are very similar to the Base bag. Number 2 is currently around $20 to $30 depending on the color. It comes in 40 different color options and has 25,000 5-star reviews. And then numbers 1 and 5 are from one of my favorite travel brands on Amazon. I bought tons of products from them and they're all fantastic. If you want to check out any of the bags, head over to my profile and click the link in my bio right here, ckanani.com/TikTok, and then click the best trolley sleeve travel bags. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more packing tips.